Good morning, this is Mr. Latham, and I'm shooting this short video to show you how to get to my website as well as find homework for my class. So you can go into a quick Google search Mr. Latham Oakcrest. This gets you to the Oakcrest Middle School website. You can either scroll down here until you find my name, or you can click on L for Latham. Scroll down a little bit less, and there's my name with Visit Site. Once you're on the website, in the top menu, you can click World History, and the calendar will be located there, or you can click on the World History calendar, and it's located here. If you'd like to find out what we're doing each day, click on the date, and there's all these details. Sometimes there's hot links that give you to a website that tells you all sorts of information for studying for geography quizzes. If you see worksheet 3AB or any other worksheet for that matter, there are always extra copies located under more details. If you don't want to click on that link, or you can't, you can always find the extra worksheets under the unit up here. So there's multiple ways to get the extra worksheets. If you want to find out what worksheet we're doing what day, just click on the day and I'll tell you exactly what's going on. Thank you for watching this video. Please email me with any questions.